It's that time, guys. I finally received the ND filters for my DJI Mavic Air. So today, I'm gonna take you guys on a little journey on how to go ahead and install this onto your Mavic, how to use it properly, and what are the benefits for it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here, I'm gonna have a brief description of what each filter does and when to use it correctly. So just go ahead and take a look. We're gonna go ahead and see some footage of some that I recorded. Now, on the left, you're gonna see the untouched with no filter. If you're looking at that, you can clearly see that the clouds don't have as much definition and the contrast is in there. And on the untouched ND32 filter, you can see the definition in the clouds a lot better. You're also able to see that the colors look a lot sharper and the water doesn't have as much glare to it due to the polarization on the lens. You also wanna make sure that the polarization point is set correctly on your filter. It's pretty easy to find. You can use a reflective surface like water to check the point, or you can use a smartphone looking through the filter at the device to see what the screen becomes dark. If you don't have either of those, you can also look at the sky and rotate it until you find a spot where the sky becomes more saturated and the clouds more crisp. One of the main reasons you're going to want to use a filter for your drone is to control your shutter speed for more cinematic footage. A good rule of thumb is to always double what your frame rate is. So if your FPS is set at 30, you should have your shutter speed at 60. Now, if you guys are at 24 frames per second, which is the most cinematic look you can go for, you're not gonna really be able to double that, so you're gonna have to go with 50. So with everything that we just covered, I'm gonna give you guys my initial impression on this Skyreat filter. Overall, I would say it's a great bang for your buck compared to all the other filters that are out there in the market right now, especially the ones from Polar Pro, which will set you back a couple of $100. This is definitely a bang for your buck. And if you guys are gonna go ahead and purchase these filters, please do so by clicking my link down below. By doing that, you guys will be supporting the page at no cost to you. And I'll be able to create more content so you guys can see and review new products that hit the market. So now that you guys have my initial thoughts on the ND filters from Skyreat, go ahead and shoot me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me also know what you guys want to see in my future videos. Also, don't forget to check out my video that I just uploaded of my trip to Melbourne Beach here in Florida. Hopefully you guys will like that video. I think it's probably one of the best ones that I've done so far. Thank you everybody for watching today's episode. If you guys like what you guys saw, make sure you hit that big old thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my page. That's gonna help me out. And until next time, guys, this is Javier from Mavic Air Films. Peace.